Well, hello there. This is Ms. Rojo, and this is literally math time. We're going to be adding and subtracting time today. Oh, fun. Our TEK will be determine the solutions to problems involving addition and subtraction of time intervals in minutes using pictorial models or tools such as a 15-minute event plus a 30-minute event equals 45 minutes. Alright, so AM and PM, what do they mean? So we have AM and PM. So AM is a time from before midday, and this AM is actually the abbreviation for antemeridian, which means in Latin before midday. This is midday, right in the middle at 12 p.m. and the time after midday is post meridian, which PM means in Latin after midday. Some misconceptions are that some students continue counting after 12 instead of acknowledging that there is a 1 p.m. They go to 13, 14, 15, and they don't switch from AM to PM or PM to AM. Now, I need you guys to know that the shorthand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. Let's move on to the problem. Ms. Rojo went shopping for 3 hours and 15 minutes. If she finished shopping at 1:45 p.m., at what time did she start shopping? So we do not know the start time. We know that she ended at 1:45 p.m. and the elapsed time was 3 hours and 15 minutes. So let's start at the 1:45 p.m. So we're subtracting to the nearest hour, the nearest 60. So we're going to go from 1:45 to 1 and elapsed times of 45 minutes. 1 p.m. we're going to subtract another hour, landing at 12 p.m. Now we're going to subtract another hour and we're going to land on 11 a.m. and now the remaining minutes are 30. We're going to subtract it, leaving us at 10:30 a.m. Let's not stop there. We have to check our work. So 30 minutes plus 1 hour plus another hour plus 45 minutes equals, normally we would add straight down, but not in this case. We're going to add 30 minutes plus 45 minutes, which mean that it's 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we're going to leave the 15 minutes here and regroup the hour to the hours, because these are the hours and these are the minutes. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 hours, and it checks out. So our start time would be 10:30 a.m. Our end time would be 1:45 p.m. and the elapsed time would be 3 hours and 15 minutes. Let's check with our clock. We're going to be moving forward. So we will see here the elapsed time. So from 10:30, if we go to the nearest hour, which would be 11 a.m., it would have an elapsed time of 30 minutes. If we have another hour, we add another hour, it would take us to 12 p.m. and that would be an elapsed time of 1 hour and 30 minutes. If we add another hour, it would take us to 1 p.m. It would have an elapsed time of 2 hours and 30 minutes, but we cannot add another hour, so we will add the remaining 45 minutes, leaving us at 1:45 p.m. It has an elapsed time of 3 hours and 15 minutes. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it.